branding, market research, consumer behavior, everybody is enrolled in at least one of them, so this becomes 0. Then this says 40 in branding, 28 in market research, 32 here. Okay. 5 are enrolled in all 3. Okay. The question is asking that how many are enrolled in exactly 2. So let's assume these 3 are, this is K, this is K, this is K. So these 3 put together are K, let us say. Okay. Now let's do some math. If we add all the 3 pies together, 40 plus 28 plus 32. What has happened is that in this sum, whatever this is, 100 it is, in this sum, these parts, the parts that K represents, have been added twice every time. Okay, so for example, this part was added in branding as well as market research. This part was added in market research as well as consumer behavior, and this part was added in branding as well as consumer behavior. So this part has been added twice while it should have been added only once. Okay, so this sum 100 has an extra K in it, so this must be subtracted. If this total has to turn out to be 80, then from this entire thing this K must be subtracted once because these parts were added twice. Please understand that K is the collective value. So to avoid confusion, we can name them as K1, K2, K3, which together come and form K. Okay. So K collectively means these 3 areas put together. And now let's look at this part, 5. This part has been added 3 times. This has been added in branding also, market research also, and consumer behavior also. So this entire total has 5 3 times. For correctness, for if all of this has to be made equal to 80, then it should have been added only once. It was added 3 times, that means it was added as 15, while it should be added only once, 5. So the 2 times that it has been added extra, that has to be removed. So minus 2 into 5 minus 10. So now see, everything has been added once. 40, 28, 32, these 3. This sum had K 2 times, so once it was subtracted, and then this had 5 3 times, it should have only 1, so twice of 5 was subtracted. So 100 minus K minus 10 is equal to 80. That means K is equal to 10.